All right, let's run Ipython notebook with the PySpark driver program. At this point, I'm sure you've already gone through the recommended installation of Anaconda and the configuration of Ipython notebook afterwards. So now I'm just going to show you what it looks like when we fire this up. You'll see I'm in the root of my Spark install directory here. And now I'm going to fire up PySpark with passing in the Ipython ops variable and passing in notebook, assigning it to notebook. What we should see is a new browser tab fire up, and we do. So that's good so far. Next, let's go to the create a new notebook. And what we're going to be looking for in this case is the kernel starting. If it takes a few seconds, that's a good sign, because what that means is if we go back to our terminal, we can see the driver program starting up. We're looking for things related to Spark, and we see plenty of them, like Spark environment, and somewhere along here I bet we're going to see Spark context, or maybe even the Spark version number. Let's scroll up a little bit more. Yeah, Spark context here, running Spark version 152. So that's all good. Next, let's go back to our notebook and just do some final testing. We now should verify that we have a Spark context objects available to us. So let's just print sc, and we'll hit shift return to execute it. Good, we can see the Spark context. Now, let's see another thing that's great about working with Ipython notebook and Spark is that if we hit sc dot and then the tab command, we see we have code completion available to us. So we can see all the function calls that are available to us from the Spark context. Well, let's just call version. And then shift enter, and we're at 152. So good, there we go. We're all set for the future tutorials of using Ipython notebook with Spark. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you soon in the other tutorials.